National Open University has started doing way back from late 1980s. Namaskar, Suswagatam and welcome under this roof for the 37th festival of this university, which we proudly call it as a graduation day or a convocation day. To set the stage, let me very proudly welcome the most humblest and the quickest person in taking decisions. It is none other than our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Sri Pramod Sawant ji, to this august gathering. I also welcome Dr. Kameshwari Murthy, the Regional Director of IGNOU Regional Center Goa, Panaji, for this event under whose guidance the entire convocation ceremony is being planned and executed. I also take the pleasure in welcoming all the guests, invitees, academic counselors, and most importantly, the proudest people in this gathering. They are none other than the parents of the students who are receiving the graduation degree. Friends, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is very sweet. And that is what we could see since morning, the smiles which we have seen during registrations, during photograph sessions, etc., etc. Though it was a bit long wait, but still those smiles were quite active. That's the beauty of these education fruits which we reap over a period of time. Today's convocation is being celebrated across 39 regional centers in the country. In the morning at around 10 o'clock, the chief guest of this convocation ceremony was Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Jagdeep Dhankar ji, who has conferred the degrees, especially the PhDs and the gold medalists at our main campus in Delhi. And I'm very happy to inform you, next in the protocol is our own beloved Chief Minister, Sri Pramod Sawant ji. In his address, he very specifically and categorically thanked Sri Pramod Sawant ji for being addressing the students from the state of Goa. Thank you so much, sir. At this 37th convocation, there are more than 3,88,056 degrees has been conferred. And in our tiny state of Goa, it is 1,063 degrees and diplomas which are getting conferred in this particular year. This is a very small state, but if you look at the education upspring, it's very, very fast. And you people, about 150, are the most luckiest lot to be invited out of this 1,363. So all the patience what you had all this while, it is worth receiving the degrees from our Honorable Chief Minister. IGNOU is as old as 38 years. And in this 38 years, we have traveled a long, long journey. At any given point of time, IGNOU has about 3.2 million students on roll. Friends, I should say that my university is the largest university in the world. It is largest in terms of enrollment, and to speak about quality, it is termed as the best university in the world, rated by Commonwealth of Learning Canada. So when the foreigners say best, we truly believe that we are best. But our work, our material, our delivery is definitely the best. Without taking much time, now I request the honorable degrees on the dais to kindly step forward for the lighting of the lamp to mark the convocation ceremony open. May I also request one student representative, Aditya Kapurji, please kindly step forward. The Regional Director, the Coordinator, Mr. Mahesh ji, I'll be very happy if one parent can join. Please. Thank you, Ashwini, for that beautiful Saraswati Vandana. It's time to call our regional director to read the report of this regional center and my university to you all and to the guest of honor for today's ceremony, Dr. Kameshwar Murthy.
Namaskar. Our distinguished guest of honor for today's ceremony, Dr. Pramod Sawantji, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, principals, IGNOU Study Center coordinators, members of the media, my colleagues, all invitees, and our dear students and their family members. Welcome to the 37th convocation of the Indira Gandhi National Open University. The main convocation for this was in New Delhi this morning, which was the chief guest was the Honorable Vice President of India, Dr. Jagdeep Dhankar. 3,35,084 degrees have been presented in the degree, 1,363 are from Panji. This regional convocation is being held in 39 regions across the country, ours is one of them. I am privileged to be hosting this ceremony and fortunate that our Honorable Self Minister has accepted our invitation and is gracing the event. It is a happy moment for all of us to celebrate the successful completion of your studies. Honorable Chief Minister, sir, we learned of the urgent need for you to leave town in a couple of hours from now, and yet you've given us time. I'm extremely grateful to you on behalf of the university, and I welcome you on this occasion. Our illustrious guest of honor, Dr. Pramod Sawantji, has obtained his degree in Bachelor of Ayurveda, Medicine and Surgery from the Ayurvedic Medical College in Kolhapur, and a postgraduate degree in Master of Social Work from the Tilak Maharashtra University at Pune. Dr. Pramod Sawantji's political journey started in 2008, and he won the Sakli constituency in 2012, contesting on a BJP ticket. He has been the Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly from 2017 to 2019. He has also served as spokesperson of the Goa unit of the BJP. Dr. Pramod Sawantji was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Goa in 2019 and again elected as the Chief Minister in 2022. The many portfolios handled by the Honorable Chief Minister are home, education, finance, personnel, vigilance, official languages and public works. You, our students, are the reason we are all here today for the convocation. The word convocation comes from the Latin convocare, meaning the calling or coming together of a group of people, usually academic. In this convocation, 3,85,084 number of students have been eligible for the receipt of degrees all over India. 1,363 of them are from Panji. The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. And this is a choice that all of you have exercised and are studying with us, and we are all at this happy moment now when your hard work is being rewarded. The strength of a nation lies in its human resources, which can be developed through higher education. Each one of us should get equal opportunities. Some of us do not for various constraints. IGNOU has the answer for all those who wish to study further but could not. IGNOU was established by an Act of Parliament in 1985. It is consistently working towards increasing the gross enrollment ratio by offering high-quality teaching through the open and distance learning mode. The mandate of the university, among others, is to provide access to higher education to all segments of the society and to reach out to the disadvantaged in all parts of the country at affordable costs. The university had begun by offering 2 diplomas. One was in management and the other was in distance education. This was in 1987. At that time, we had only 4,528 students. Today, there are 3 million students in India and abroad. There are 21 schools of studies, and we have a network of 69 regional centers, 2,005 learner support centers, and 25 overseas institutions. The university offers more than 290 certificate diploma degree programs, and we have a strength of 291 faculty in headquarters and 192 academics in the regional centers and 52,000 academic counselors. In accordance with the National Education Policy 2020, from this academic session of January 24, IGNOU is offering 19 programs under the 4-year degree program. These programs provide focused and in-depth study in arts, science, and commerce. They are designed to be multidisciplinary and modular. Thus, a student can exit at any stage and still get a certification. He can get a certificate after completing 1 year of study, a diploma after completing 2 years, a degree after completing 3 years, and an honors after completing all 4 years. The primary objective of the NEP 2020 is to develop vocational and academic skills of the students. The National Council for Vocational Education and Training and IGNOU have signed an MOU, and today IGNOU is offering specialized bachelor's programs designed for the Agniveers in collaboration to suit the developing knowledge and skills that are required in the armed forces. What IGNOU is also doing is, in collaboration with the National Skill Development Corporation, IGNOU is offering undergraduate applied programs and the diploma in apparel merchandising. IGNOU has recently launched a master's in renewable energy, in physics, in chemistry, in biochemistry, zoology, botany, mathematics, French language, Spanish, Russian, and Arabic. IGNOU is promoting Indian language, arts, and culture through its courses. Now you can take admission to a master's in Sanskrit, Hindu studies, Hindi Vyavasayik Lekhan, and Vedic Adhyan. All our academic programs have their self-instructed study material uploaded on the eGyan Coach portal. IGNOU is in the process of launching MBA in construction management, in logistics and supply chain, data analysis and healthcare management, among others. Keeping in mind access and inclusivity, IGNOU is coordinating with the Rehabilitation Council of India for promoting special education and disability rehabilitation programs. Regional Center Panji came into existence in 2009, and we have a jurisdiction of 4 districts. Ours is the smallest office and the smallest state in the country. Our 4 districts are the district North Goa and district South Goa, and district Sindhudurg from Maharashtra, and the district Uttar Kannada from Karnataka. We have 10 active study centers in the region, and I'm happy to say that one of our centers is the modern jail in Kolwale. IGNOU actively participates in the all central government initiatives such as Unnat Bharat, Viksit Bharat, and Special Campaign, and we have been active in that from the regional center. We have lived up to our expectations of providing education to the marginalized sections of society. IGNOU provides free education to the SC and ST students for all undergraduate programs. Free of cost education is also provided to the jail inmates. IGNOU reaches out to the armed and security forces in the country, and we have 12 recognized regional centers meant only for the personnel of the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Assam Rifles. Our enrollment in the year 2023 was 6,020 students. 38% of these are from the bachelor's degree program and 41% from the diploma and PhD program. Several of our programs are also offered online. Some of these are in the computer applications, in journalism, in social and corporate responsibility, nutrition and health education, and early childhood care. IGNOU Regional Center Panaji maintains its social media channels with relevant content such as event updates, timely information to students, and live coverage. In today's regional convocation, sir, although 1,363 students are eligible, we have been able to invite only 150 to the venue. 29% of these awardees are each receiving their degree for certificate and for bachelor's degrees, followed by 32% from the master degree programs. 43% of today's awardees are women. IGNOU's learner support centers are all based in regular colleges, whose faculty and infrastructure we utilize on vacations and Sundays. The regular centers will cater to multiple academic programs and others will cater to practicals. So our centers are located in Madgaon, Miramar, Pilar, Porvorim, Khandola, Bednem, and in Karwar outside Goa. In Ponta, we have a center that deals with education, and in Kampala, we have it for dietetics and food service management. In keeping with IGNOU's mission, we have a study center in the modern day Valley for the inmates. The university's objective being to facilitate their self-development so that they can gainfully utilize their time in prison and lead a life with dignity once they're free. Naturally, no admission fees charged, and the examinations are also conducted in the jail. 3 such jail inmates are today receiving their degree. In Goa, we also have many Indian Navy personnel enrolled with us. Given the nature of their duties, frequent sailing on the ship, their frequent transfers, it is IGNOU that can facilitate their learning without it affecting their work. 119 such Indian Navy personnel are receiving their degrees here today. The National Assessment and Accreditation Council has awarded the A++ ranking to IGNOU. All our students can be assured of the sanctity of their degrees. The degrees are recognized and at par with those of any conventional recognized university. We had approached the Honorable Chief Minister with a request for allotment of land in Goa so that we could construct a permanent campus for IGNOU's regional center. Within 3 weeks of our request, the Honorable Chief Minister announced it in the Assembly, and that too free of cost. On behalf of the university, sir, I'm deeply grateful to you. We should try to match your speed and soon be able to show you some work on this front. May I most humbly request you, sir, for you to honor us by laying the foundation in the designated land. Hearty congratulations to you and to your family members on the award of your degree. Always retain a passion for learning. This could be about anything. Maybe it is a passion for learning about our independence movement. Maybe it is a passion for helping the marginalized, or animal welfare, or reading about our rich art and culture. Whatever it is, always keep the spark in you alive for learning. I close with best wishes for a great life ahead to all your bodies today, and my heartfelt gratitude and regards to the Honorable Chief Minister for gracing this event. Namaskar, Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's time to welcome our chief guest with a small token of love, which we proudly call it as flowers. So I request the Honorable Regional Director to welcome our Chief Minister with a bouquet. I also request Ms. Prashanti to kindly welcome our Regional Director. Well, in any university, your studies are one part of it. But at the end of your studies, we always have such a Dikshant Samaroh. Dikshant is nothing but the effort what you have put, the Diksha what you have put all across your journey, and that's the end of it. And ending a Diksha, we confer the degrees. But that's not the end of your journey. That's the reason the universities make it a point to call any one person of eminence to guide us how to lead our future course of action. Today we are lucky enough to have our own Chief Minister to address all of you all. To just speak a few words about him, when the entire country speaks about Har Ghar Nal, Har Ghar Jal, everyone to get a house, the Honorable Chief Minister dreams slightly more than all this. And once he was referring me casually, can we have Har Ghar graduate in Goa? That speaks about how distant his vision is, and we have been all witnessing in last few years the speed at which he is working and taking the state to a next level. To listen to him further, and to guide us on various aspects, we take an opportunity to welcome him on the dais and deliver the convocation address for today. Please, sir.
For the 37th convocation of the Indira Gandhi National Open University, actually the virtually addressed to all of you, and he is present in Delhi, Sri Jagdeep Dhankarji, Honorable Vice President of India, who has already delivered his convocation address. Along with me, the Madam Kameshwar Murthy ji, the Senior Director of Indira Gandhi National Open University in the state of Goa. One who had invited me is the Mr. Dr. G. Srinivasan. All the students who are present here from the Goa and out of Goa. So congratulations first of all to all of you. I'm not going through my ready speech. I'll speak from my heart. Okay? That's all. सगळ्या जणांक परत एकदा येवकार. हांवें वेगवेगळे कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी आतापर्यंत अटेंड केल्या. गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीचे आसतले, NITचो आसतलो किंवा IITचो आसतलो. अशे वेगवेगळ्या फावटी मुख्यमंत्री जाल्या उपरांत म्हाका संद मेळ्ळी अटेंड करपाची आनी हांवें ते अटेंडूय केले. आज म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता. पयलेच फावटी म्हाका डॉक्टर श्रीनिवास हाणें इन्वायट केलो की इग्नोचो डिग्री दीक्षांत समारंभ आसा. डॉक्टर तुमी येवपाक जाय. हांवें ताका एकाच उतरान म्हटलें हय हांव येता, पण म्हाका टायम खूब शॉर्टेज आसा. म्हाका आवडटलें आनी आतांय बी आय हॅव द फ्लायट टू फ्लाय टू हैदराबाद 2:30. आय वॉन्ट टू लीव फ्रॉम हियर एट 1:30. पण तरी सुद्दां तुमकां सगळ्यांक डिग्री दिवन वता, भियोनाका. ओके, त्यात हांव चड वेळ न उलयता डिग्री दिवपा खातीर चड टायम स्पेंड करतलो. पण हें सगळें सांगता आसतना हांव एकच कन्सेप्ट जो सांगता. Honorable Prime Minister speaks about Fit India, Skill India and Inclusive India. Fit India, it is always the fitness of ours. आमच्या सगळ्यांच्या फिटनेसाचेर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी उलयता. आनी म्हाका आयकून खूब बरें दिसलें. आतां फिट इंडियाक रिलेटेड जितक्यो डिग्रीज आनी डिप्लोमाज दिता त्यो सगळ्यांत चड डिग्रीज आनी डिप्लोमा खंय दिता जाल्यार त्यो इग्नोच दिता. आनी त्या खातीरय हांव तेंचें खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. कारण फिट इंडिया रिलेटेड जितके सगळे प्रोग्राम्स आसा तुमकां खूब कमी प्रोग्राम्स बाकीच्या युनिव्हर्सिटींनी मेळटले. पण म्हाका दिसता इग्नोत हाज्या रिलेटेड डिफरंट प्रोग्राम्स, सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम्स, डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम which is required. Skilling of the students, skilling of the people is required. Yeah, again and again, I am also speaking skilling, reskilling and upskilling. फक्त डिग्रीज आणि डिप्लोमाज घेतले म्हणून जावचे ना, तर इट इज अ रिलेटेड कोर्सेस शूड बी टीच्ड आणि ते इग्नोत शिकयता. हे आयकून म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें. आणि आयच्या एका दिसा हांव त्यांच्या सगळ्या हिस्ट्रीत परत वचना. 3 लाखापेक्षा चड डिग्री एट अ टाइम कंट्रीत वांगडाच दिवप, त्या खातीर वन्स अगेन आय एम कॉंग्रॅच्युलेटिंग फॉर द इग्नो एट 39 डिफरंट सेंटर्स. आणि देशात म्हणजे यू शूड फील प्राऊड. म्हाका दिसता तुम्ही मदर कित्याक ताळयो मारल्यो म्हाका खबर ना, कारण देशातली न्ही जगातली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट युनिव्हर्सिटी इग्नो युनिव्हर्सिटी. त्याने म्हटलें तुमकां प्राऊड फील जावपा जाय की त्या युनिव्हर्सिटींतल्यान आमी डिग्री घेता, त्या युनिव्हर्सिटींतल्यान आमी डिग्री आनी डिप्लोमा घेताय. तुमकां प्राऊड फील जावपा जाय. त्या खातीर तुमचेय सगळ्यांचे हांव अभिनंदन करता. कारण इट इज इन सर्वे बाय द कॅनडा ताणें सांगला त्या प्रमाणे देशात एट अ टाइम वांगडाच इतक्या जाणांक डिग्री दिवपाचो रेकॉर्डूय बी ते प्रत्येक फावटी करता. एट अ टाइम इतले स्टुडंट्स म्हणजे डेट टाइम्स त्यांच्याकडे ऍडमिटेड असता फॉर द डिफरंट कोर्सेस. त्या खातीरय त्यांचे खूब खूब अभिनंदन. हांव उलयतालो फिट इंडिया, स्किल इंडिया आणि इन्क्लुझिव्ह इंडिया. फिट इंडिया जे डिफरंट प्रोग्राम्स म्हणजे आम्ही म्हणटा की आयुष मिनिस्ट्री इंट्रोड्यूस केल्या उपरांत हाऊ टू कीप वन सेल्फ फिट हो प्रोग्राम ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नॉट ओनली फॉर द कंट्री बट जगाक जर कोणी प्रोग्राम दिलो आसत जाल्यार तो इंडियेत दिलो. आम्ही जेन्ना म्हणटा की योगा, प्राणायाम हाज्या सारकिले प्रोग्राम जे लॉन्च केले आणि तेच प्रोग्राम आज आम्ही शिकता, शिकयतले आणि पुराय जगाक दिवपाची आमची तयारी आसा. सेकंड वन इज स्किल इंडिया. ह्या देशाकडे स्किल मिनिस्ट्री नाशिल्ली. पयले फावटी 2014 स्किल मिनिस्ट्री इंट्रोड्यूस जर केली जाल्यार ती ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीजी. आणि त्या स्किल इंडिया किंवा स्किल मिनिस्ट्रीच्या अंतर्गत डिफरंट स्किलिंग प्रोग्राम्स आज देशात सुरू आसा. And then again, congratulations for the IGNO. You have done the tie-up with the Skill Ministry of the India, and you are launching and you are giving the different program in the skilling sector with a separate certificate program, separate diploma program, separate graduate program, especially in the skilling. BVOC, Bachelor in Vocational, the first time this program has introduced. हाज्या पयलीं फक्त BA, BCom, BSc आणि graduate इतकेच program आशिल्ले. Now there is an integrated program in Bachelor in Vocational. Different types of Bachelor in Vocational programs are there, and the degree you are giving. त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता स्किलिंग मस्ट आशिल्लें आणि स्किल इंडिया ह्या कार्यक्रमाच्या अंतर्गत आज देशात वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीचे स्किलिंग जावपाक लागला. I appreciate, congratulate करता तांकां, which is an advanced innovation and technology हे सगळे करता आसतना you are giving the degrees and diploma in renewable energy, which is an actually need of ours, and that program you have already introduced. And renewable, हांव आत्तां वयतना just आयकतालो की in logistic the new recent policies जो गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया काडटा तितून एडवान्स एड्युकेशन येवप हे गरजेचें आसा. आमी म्हणटा की ट्रेडिशनल एड्युकेशनात रावन चलचें ना. त्या प्रमाणे तुम्ही जे म्हटलें की नॅशनल एड्युकेशन पॉलिसीन आमी म्हणटाले की डिग्रीज, डिप्लोमा, सर्टिफिकेट, डिप्लोमा, डिग्री आणि ताज्या उपरांत मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम हे NEPन रिसेंटली फक्त 2 वर्सां जाले सांगून आणि तुम्ही ते इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक लागले. There should be the opportunity for each and every students after the 1 year. If he wants to left, he can take his certificate course. He can go after the 2 years. If you want to left the course and you want to join again, we are getting the diploma certificate. You can go. You can work somewhere. You can do the distance education. ती फॅसिलिटीज इग्नो कडे अवेलेबल आसा. इतक्या बऱ्या पद्धतीच्यो फॅसिलिटीज हांवें आत्तां जशें म्हटलें की रिन्युएबल एनर्जी आसतले किंवा लॉजिस्टिकान आसतली, इतक्यो बऱ्यो न्यू एडवान्स. कारण खुबशे जाण खूब अजूनय बी ट्रेडिशनल पद्धतीत म्हाका कॉलेजीक वचपाक जाय म्हणून BA, BCom आणि BSc करीत ट्रेडिशनल कॉलेजींनीच एड्युकेशन घेता. त्या सगळ्यां खातीर हांव स्पेशली सांगता की एडवान्स टूर्स एंड ट्रॅव्हल आसतले, टुरिझम सेक्टरांतले आसतले, हॉस्पिटॅलिटी सेक्टरांतले आसतले, इन मेडिकल सेक्टरांतले आसतले किंवा वेलनेस सेक्टरांतलो आसतलो किंवा रिन्युएबल एनर्जी सेक्टरांत आसतले. डिग्रीज किंवा डिप्लोमा घेवपाची गरज आसा. Now the innovation is the future, skilling is the future. Now we want to ready for the industry 4.0. कारण ह्या इंडस्ट्री खातीर जर रेडी जातले आसत जाल्यार अशा पद्धतीच्यो डिग्रीज घेवपाची गरज आसा. तुमच्यातल्या काही स्टुडंट्सांनी ही डिग्रीज घेतली. इन एडवान्स तुमच्या खातीर हांव कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन म्हणटा. म्हणजे यू पीपल आर 1 स्टेप अहेड. म्हाका दिसता ताकाच लागून हाजी खरोखरूच म्हणजे हांव तांचें खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. थर्ड थिंग हांवें फिट इंडिया, स्किल इंडिया उलयता आसतना इन्क्लुझिव्ह इंडियाचेर उलयलो. इन्क्लुझिव्ह इंडिया इज वॉट? तर इन्क्लुझिव्ह इंडिया इट इज वॉट वी हॅव ऑर्गनायज इज अ पर्पल फेस्टिवल. वॉट वी हॅव ऑर्गनायज इज इंटरनॅशनल पर्पल फेस्टिवल. जे फंक्शन कोणीच ऑर्गनायज करूं ना, जेणी ह्या भारत देशाक आणि पुराय जगाक दाखोवन दिलें वॉट इज इन्क्लुझिव्ह इंडिया. इट इज अन इंटरनॅशनल पर्पल फेस्टिवल. आज आमी पळयता की तशें पळोवंक वता जाल्यार ल्हानशा गोंयांत 19,000 डिजाबिलिटी लोक आसा. तशें पळोवंक वता जाल्यार इट इज मोर दॅन 4% ऑफ द पॉप्युलेशन वीच इज इन स्पेशल दिव्यांग आसात, इट इज अ डिजाबल आसात आणि तांकां इन्क्लुझिव्ह जर करतले आसत जाल्यार इन्क्लुझिव्ह इंडियाची गरज आसा. आणि ताका लागून 2 गजाली. एक म्हणजे जे आमी म्हणटा की एड्युकेशन सेक्टरात जे इन्क्लूड करपाक जाय वीच इज अ डिग्री एंड डिप्लोमा फॉर द स्पेशल दिव्यांग, स्पेशल डिजाबिलिटी कोर्सीस. ते कोर्सीस तुम्ही शिकयता आणि त्याच बरोबर ह्याय भुरग्यांक शिकपाची फॅसिलिटीज जी अवेलेबल करपाक जाय ती फॅसिलिटीज इग्नो सेंटर दिता. ताका लागून तांचें हांव अभिनंदन करता. आणि ह्या जर स्पिरीत आमी खूब फुडें वचप, ह्या जर हेजो खूब मोठो अवेअरनेस जावप हाची गरज आशिल्ली. आणि तें म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत आत्तां जावपाक लागलां. तेणी म्हाजे कडेन एकच खंत वक्तयल्ली की आमी एका ल्हानशा ऑफिसान म्हणजे रेंटल बिल्डिंगेन आसल्या कारणान आमचो सेटअप लोकांक दिसना. कारण गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीचो कॅम्पस अवाढव्य आसा आणि इन फ्युचर द प्रायव्हेट युनिव्हर्सिटी येतल्यो तेंचोय कॅम्पस बिग आसतलो. मागीर इग्नू म्हणजे कितें हें कोणी पळयलां? अरे कितें तें बारीकशा रुमान आहा मरे ती डिग्री. हय, थोड्या जाणांक प्रश्न पडटलो पण हय काय ना येतलो. So that he has requested me for the 4,000 square meter of land, but I have given them the 5,000 square meter of the land. त्यांनी मागले तर 1,000 पूर्ण केला. Rajendra Manda, we are ready to sign the agreement and in the best campus they can establish as early as possible. म्हटलं त्याप्रमाणे फर्मागुडी which is our prime location wherever are the different engineering colleges available. गोयचे गोवा इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज आणि बाकीचं म्हणजे IIT, NIT ज्या जाग्यार आशिल्ली त्याच जाग्यार आम्ही तुमकां कॅम्पस दिला. म्हाका दिसता जाता तितके बेगीन डायरेक्टर मॅडम आनी त्या रिजनल डायरेक्टर सगळ्यांनी इनिशिएटिव्ह घेवन जर तेंच्यांनी आपलो कॅम्पस एस्टाब्लिश केलो जाल्यार गोंयांत आमी जे हर घर नल से जल, हर घर शौचालय, हर घर फायबर आणि हर घर ग्रॅज्युएट हे दिवपा खातीर आमी हर घर ग्रॅज्युएटूच न्ही, म्हाजे तर एक स्टेप फुडें वचून म्हणणें आसा की हर घर पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट शूड ऑल्सो बी देर. कारण खूब जाण आतापर्यंत फक्त आपले ग्रॅज्युएशन जालें काय शिक्षण थारयतात. माझ्या म्हणण्यात थारोवपाची गरज ना, कारण तांकां दिसता कितें एखादी आपल्याक नोकरी मेळ्ळी सरकाराची काय खूब पुरो जालें. But I'm congratulating especially for the you at this age also you have taken the something additional degree. Really it is a wonderful. You have the aspiration for the young youths, so you should always learn. You should ते जर आम्ही स्पिरिट घेतली असत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आपल्याक नोकरी मेळ्ळी म्हणून थांबपाची गरज ना. कंटिन्युअसली म्हणजे ऍडव्हान्समेंटान वता आसतना आपल्याक एडिशनल डिग्री खंयची घेवपाक मेळटा काय कितें, आपल्या करियरान आनीक ऍडव्हान्समेंट आपूण कितें करूंक शकतलो काय कितें हाची सातत्यान जर ध्यास धरीत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता खूब जाण आपले ग्रॅज्युएशन पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन आणि नवीन नवीन सेक्टरात करपाक शकतले. म्हणून ते सगळ्यांनी करचे हाजी उमेद हाजी इच्छा दवरून आमी इग्नोक तांचे सेंटर एस्टाब्लिश करपाक दिला. आणि ताका लागून म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या सविस्तर सगळ्या तरणाट्यांनी म्हणजे आपले फॉर्मल एज्युकेशन कॉलेजीन घेता ते घेवचेच. आमी फ्रॉम दीस टायम ऑनवर्ड्स वी हॅव स्टार्टेड द ड्युअल डिग्री सिस्टम. हांव कळपा खातीर म्हणून सांगता की कॉलेजीत एडमिशन घेतला आसतना यू कॅन टेक द एडमिशन इन द ITI ऑल्सो. You can do the parallel graduation and you can do the diploma and certificate course in ITI or our skill development center. हे दोनूय एट अ टाइम शिकपाचीच तयारी जाय. हे दोनूय म्हणजे अटेंडन्स रिलॅक्सेशन करपाची तयारी आसा. बट यू टेक द ड्युअल डिग्री या ड्युअल सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम्स सेम वे. म्हाका दिसता जितके सगळे जे गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट किंवा बाकीच्या प्रायव्हेट सेक्टरातल्या सगळ्यांनी अशा पद्धतीचे आपले कंटिन्युअस एज्युकेशन अपग्रेड करीत रावचे आणि ऍडव्हान्समेंट इन एज्युकेशन जेका जेका येता जशें आमी म्हटलें रिन्युएबल एनर्जी, हॉस्पिटॅलिटी, स्पिरिच्युअलिटी, वेलनेस टुरिझम हे न्यू ऍडव्हान्समेंट सातत्यात गोंयांत येता हे सक्सेसफूल करचे. आणि आमी सगळ्या जाणांनी फिट इंडिया, स्किल इंडिया, इन्क्लुझिव्ह इंडिया ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टरचे स्वप्न विकसित भारत 2047 हे जर साकार करतले असत तर हे विकसित भारत स्वप्न साकार करपाची खरी आम्ही जे म्हणता की ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर किंवा चीफ मिनिस्टर करूंक शकनात, तर तांच्या बरोबर तांची साथ तुमची सगळ्यांची जाई. आणि तुमची सगळ्यांची साथ आसत जाल्यारूच विकसित भारताचे स्वप्न हे साकार जावपाक शकतले. त्या खातीर म्हणजे तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक रिक्वेस्ट आसा की विकसित भारत हे स्वप्न साकार करपा खातीर स्वता विकसित जायात आणि या विकसित गोंय करात, विकसित भारत देश जावनी हाजो आज तुमकां उलो मारता. तुम्ही सगळेजाण विकसित भारताच्या या स्वप्नात, विकसित भारताच्या या प्रवासात सामील जातले काय ना? हय काय ना विचारता हांव. हय जर म्हाज्या बरोबर आसत जाल्यार भारत माता की जय. नेटान सगळ्यांनी थोडे धांवचे ना अशें आहा. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक तुमच्या फुडारा खातीर, तुमच्या फ्युचर आयुष्या खातीर खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. तुमकां निश्चितच रित्या बरें फ्युचर हांव आवडिता आणि ह्या राज्याचे आणि ह्या देशाचे विकसित भारताचे खरे पिलर तुम्ही जावचे इतकेच देवा लागीं मागता आणि माझी 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you very much, sir. When he speaks from the heart, it really touches us. I'm thankful that he has not read the speech. Now it's time for the most awaited moment. Since the Honorable Sir is having very less time, I'll quickly call the names. You can quickly line up and then start receiving the degrees as and when I call the names. Okay? It has to be slightly fast and speeding up so that every student can receive the degree from the Honorable Sir. Education, Master degree from the School of Education. Can I call the first student, Parsekar Shambhavi Lakshmikant? Dikuna Alisha Vincent. Kole Samiksha Santosh. Ustekar Suvarna Shankar. Please start coming one by one. Kavita Raghunath Godbole. Kavita Lavu Arlekar. Akshay Rajendra Pavse. Gopal Kumar. Desai Kartiket Anil. Master of History Sarangi Ankush Gaonkar Gaude. Chetan Kalidas Ghatwal. Sheikh Asifa Abdul. Parab Muralidhar Vinayak. Sapre Ratisha Rajan. From the School of Management, MBA HR, Musrat Jahan Sheikh. From the School of Computer and Information Science, MCA, Sheikh Mohammad Mohsin. Chari Akshay Ashok. Sai Shri Shrekar Prabhudesai. From the School of Management, Gajinkar Surki Subhash. Rupali Lakshman Majik. Shefali Gitu Naik. Prajay Gopinath Naik. MCOM and PGDIBO both combined. Naik Shivam Jnaneshwar. Aishwarya Prataprao Desai. Naik Nikila Nilkant. Rankavat Tanish Premdas. Naik Hema Ramchand. Shraddha Venkatesh Rane. Disha Devrai Volvaikar. Suprabha Prakash Chodankar. Akshaya Satyavan Naik. Malvikar Sneha Suresh. Murgaonkar Akshada Rohidas. Verekar Tanvi Pradeep. Kalangutkar Mayuri Mohan. Suroji Nirmala Anant. Ashutosh Asnodkar. Velinkar Swati Subhash Chandra. Naik Vaibhavi Vishnu. Anuja Damodar Sheth. Please hurry up. Arabi Samir Shaukat Ali. Sheikh Neha. Vijesh Sadashiv Walde. May I request Bhanudas to kindly come forward to collect the degrees from the jail center. Yes. Bhanudas Pednekar, please hurry up, sir. Masters Premanand Shirgopi, kindly hurry up. Sonam Anil Kumar. Radhika Naidu. Suvarna Pankaj Malvankar. Kubal Tejasvi Rajen. Supriya Purohit. Nilima Pradhan. Fernandez Kimberly Gresha. Fernandez Lizia. Shakila Banu. Parag Anuja Rajen. Ravina Dias. Rashmi Haldankar. K.M. Preeti. Kamal Kishore. Vishal Narayan. Seema Rani. Arolkar Ankita. Aschi Lal Yadav. Carol Lucia Montero Fernandez. Redkar Manisha Mohan. Supriya Kedar Komarpant. Ankit Ramesh Prabhu. Asmita Sunil Naik. Yogita Sada Zalmi. Veera Nayak. Makshekar Santosh. Raj Kishore Pradhan. Naik Krishna Baban. Please come fast. Mohit Kumar. Jadhav Vinita Vijay. Desai Priyanka Ramesh. Brenaz Gowda. Dikuna Manuel. Sujata Sutar Pandurang. D'Souza Rochelle Savi. Beengude Sureka. Arolkar Rasika Narayan. Hobde Rushika Lamu. Jessica Agneta. Sarale. Vaibhavi Deepak Gowde. Rupa Rani. Valvaikar Manoj Sudam. Rupiya Ramesh Komarpant. Swati Subhash Chandra Sankiri. Nisha Gore. Hurry up please. Anzira Khan. Barato Mercy Elizabeth. Malhar Mahendra Indolkar. Martha Veronica Fernandez. Bachelor's degree. Bachelor's degree. After the master's bachelor's degree, please get ready. Bachelor's degree first is Aditya Raj Kapoor. Aditya Raj Kapoor. Aditya Raj Kapoor, DeCosta Reena, Zore Bable Bhairov, Mendes Nancy Dorothy, Gaonkar Damodar Ladu, Palatkar Suresh Sriram. We will stop here and I request you please come. Please come. Please come. Please clap for him because he has been a very special child for us. Shirgaonkar Priyanka Shashikant, Naik Priyanka Premanand. Okay, all can come. Please come. Please come. Please come. All of you, please come. Please come. Have a photograph and go. All of you, please come. Let's have a photograph and then you can go. All the students, please.